up guys, TNT Anglers back with another video. We're out here at another farm pond. I'm actually with my dad and a buddy of mine. Oh, something just stirred up right there. But it's been about 2 years since I fished this. But when we did, we slayed them. Oh, my dad's hooked up down there. Nice one. I'm starting off with a Cinco. Hooked up. Nice. Not bad. About a pound or a pound and a half on the green Cinco. That's not him, but I'll take it. Another one, a little bit smaller than the last one. What the heck?
Dang.
That's a fish. Yeah. I mean, still not small. There's my third one. Right here, got one. Oh yeah, that's a toad right there.
Oh my god, dude, I just had another one.
That's a toad. He choked it, dude. He choked that Cinco. Alright, there's my fourth fish already. We've been here about 20 minutes. That's a nice one. That's probably pushing 2. Probably a pound and a half. Oh, yeah. Oh, he wasn't coming off. Alright, there's my fifth. Right there's one. Like, they're all just chunky fish. Right there's another chunk. This pond is insane. Right there, that's about my 6th or 7th. I'm losing track. These fish are nice. Chance just hooked up on one. What are you using, the chatterbait? Is that bigger or smaller than the others?
That's smaller than the first one.
Not bad. Chartreuse, chatterbait. There's one. Right in the roof of the mouth on the green Cinco again. Not a bad chunk. Oh! I didn't even get a hook set into this one. Wow, these fish fight hard. He hit that one when I was reeling it in. That was crazy. Barely hooked. Again, not a bad one. No, I just broke off. That was huge. Are you serious? Oh, right in front of us. Dang. Is that your biggest today or about the same?
Well,
Nice little buzzbait fish. He hit that right there. I wasn't expecting
right there.
I wasn't expecting that. Not a bad one. Oh, he's on. Buzzbait fish. Feel big? Oh. I don't know if, can you flip that one? Yep. That's definitely your biggest today.
Yeah, for sure.
That's up there with the biggest of the day. Nice. Buzzbait's killing it.
I think it's always funny whenever I'm not paying attention is when I catch one.
Oh. Got him. Nah. Feels average, running to me. He drilled it. Alright, switch to the spook. Got another decent one.